Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to get top 3 coupon codes for Binomo. For the first website, open your web browser and search dealspotter.com. You will see a list of promo codes. Navigate down to see the various discounts available. Copy the code and redeem in Binomo. The second website is wetrip.com. This site has the top promo codes. Simply copy and redeem the code in Binomo. The third website is shipthedeal.com. Scroll to the bottom to check the available Binomo promo codes you can redeem. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.